Welcome to a delightful exploration of language and idioms. Today we're diving into phrases that feature the word big. Big is an adjective we often use to describe size, but in idioms it can take on a whole host of other meanings. First up, we have a big fish in a small pond. This phrase describes a person who is important or influential within a small group or organization. Think of a star athlete in a small-town sports team. Next, there's go big or go home. This phrase encourages giving your all to a task or project, aiming for the best possible outcome. Picture an ambitious entrepreneur launching a groundbreaking product. Make a big deal out of something is a phrase used when someone reacts dramatically or overemphasizes something relatively insignificant. Imagine a friend who can't stop talking about a minor compliment they received. A big-hearted person is someone generous and kind. This could be a neighbor who always lends a helping hand or donates to charity. A big shot is a highly influential or important person, like the CEO of a successful company. In a big way is a phrase used to describe significant growth or change. Consider a small business expanding to international markets. A bigwig is another term for an influential person, often used in the context of the entertainment or business industries. A successful movie director, for instance, could be a bigwig in Hollywood. Big time is a phrase used to describe a significant achievement or success, like winning a prestigious award. The big picture is a comprehensive or overall view of a situation. It's like looking at an entire forest instead of focusing on one tree. A big mouth is someone who can't keep secrets or confidential information to themselves. We all know someone who just can't keep a secret, right? The big cheese is a phrase used to describe a person in a high position of power or authority, similar to a big shot. Big league refers to a high level of competition or achievement. Picture a minor league baseball player making it to the major leagues. Big talk is when someone boasts or makes ambitious claims without following through. We've all met someone who talks a good game but doesn't deliver. Big-headed describes someone who is overly confident or arrogant. Think of a celebrity who lets fame go to their head. Big deal signifies something of great importance or significance. It could be a major life event like getting a job promotion. Big Brother is a term often used to describe an intrusive government or organization that monitors its citizens or members closely. Finally, a big fish is a person who holds significant power within a small group or organization, similar to a big fish in a small pond. In conclusion, big in idioms can mean important, significant, influential, or dramatic. It's fascinating how one word can take on so many different meanings in the world of idioms. Remember, idioms add color and depth to language, so don't shy away from using them in your daily conversations. Thank you, and keep exploring the wonderful world of language.